Hello everyone, and welcome you all to the first chapter of the MS Excel Essential tutorial. So now here we are actually going to start MS Excel. So I'll be just giving you guys a brief in this class that what all we'll be covering throughout this tutorial. So if you didn't have any previous experience on using MS Excel, so no problem with that, because we will be starting from the very beginning. Okay, I'll be explaining you guys about the interface. I'll be telling you guys in this particular class what all we're going to learn. We'll be working with images. We'll be working with the basic functions which can help you in your daily to day work, whether it's in an office or whether it's for your personal usage. We'll be learning all these things over here. So let's not waste time and let's get started. So the first thing what we are going to learn over here is understanding the Excel interface. Okay, so first I'll make you guys familiarize yourself with the ribbon. Okay, so there are various ribbons, as in the menu bar we do have a lot of options, and under that we do have all those ribbons. So we will be understanding about all of those ribbons, what are its usage, and also we will learn about the worksheet. Okay, like how you can have multiple worksheet once you're working in Excel. So if you guys are familiar with any other software by MS, okay, or Microsoft, then you guys will be able to know that how you can work in multiple worksheets. And also Excel consists of cells, and a cell is made up of two things, which the first one is row and a column. So once you combine the rows and column, it will basically give you guys one cell. Okay, so we will learn about that as well. So we will learn about the whole interface, how you will be able to work in the interface, and also basically you guys will gain insights into various tabs. Okay, as I was telling, under menu bar you do have various tabs as well, so we will get an insight on that, and also different type of commands available for a kind navigation and data manipulation. Okay, so there are different kind of shortcuts, different kind of commands available over here, which is quite efficient for navigation. And if you do want to manipulate your data available, you guys can use the data manipulation way as well. Okay, and next thing we will learn about data entry and formatting. So Excel is basically used for storing data in a very orderly manner, and let's say using different kind of formulas, it helps us to keep the data quite intact, and we don't have to manually go and change the number if we're changing it in one place. Okay, so using different kind of formulas, we will be able to keep up a track of the update as well. So here we'll learn the art of data entry and the significance of formatting. Okay, so we'll learn about number formatting. Let's say if you're working with currency, how you will be able to do that. If you're working only with numbers, or if you're working only with decimal points, how you can actually work with formatting. Let's say it's not only about the numbers. If you do want to use different kind of text font, different kind of colors, background color, different kind of text color, how you will be able to do that. So we'll understand about those things as well. So we'll discover the techniques to input and organize data effectively, and also we'll explore the formatting options to enhance the visual appeal of your spreadsheet. Okay, so let's say you are working on a page, okay, and in one page, let's say you do have your heading, you do have your subheading, and also you do have your body, but there you are using the same type of font with the same text size, okay, or same font size. So in that case, it won't look quite effective, or it won't be visually appealing. But in the same way, if you just use different kind of background colors, let's say you do increase the font size of your heading, you do give this one a different color, you do put up some boxes, so in that case it will be more visually appealing compared to the first one, which only had the default text size, or which only had the default font type. Okay, so the formatting is quite an interesting option, which we'll learn as well. And the next thing what we are going to learn over here is formulas and functions. Okay, so over here we will be learning about different formulas, how you can actually work on with formulas, different functions available, how you can actually put up your formulas over here, in which particular place you need to put that. Okay, so we'll delve into the world of formulas and functions, uncover the power of mathematical, logical, and reference functions. Okay, so just take up a good look over here. We will be uncovering the mathematical, the logical, and the reference functions. Okay, so there are three types of functions over here which we will be learning in detail, and basically those are used to perform complex calculations and automate tasks within Excel. Okay, let's say you do have a list of 100 students, and are they paying fees or how much is their due? If you change in one particular place, it will basically reflect in all the other sheets as well. So you don't have to manually go and update in each and every cell, but just changing one, as all this data will be connected through functions and formulas, it will give you the complex calculations to do quite easily using formulas and functions, and it will automate the task. So automating task means you don't have to do it manually. Okay, so it will be automated using your formulas. So this was about formulas and functions, charts and graphs. Okay, so once you visualize your data with captivating charts and art graphs, we will explore the diverse chart types and how you will be able to customize, and also about the customization options available in Excel to effectively communicate insights and trends. Okay, so as I was telling you guys about the pivot table over there, so once you have any kind of chart, or if you do have any kind of graph inside your presentation, it is more visually appealing and it actually shows a better understanding. Okay, so here they will be able to diverse the different kind of chart types. We'll be able to understand what are the different charts and graphs over here which can be used. And also, if you do have any chart, let's say you do have selected any chart, and from there you do want to customize those chart according to yourself or according to your own usage, that is also available in Excel, and it actually helps you for a better understanding between you and also the communicator, or whom you are actually showing your charts and whom you are actually trying to give your presentation to. Okay, so it actually helps you to communicate the insights, and also you can actually customize your chart according to the trend. Okay, which makes it more interesting and more visually appealing as well. So after that, we are basically gonna come here and we are going to learn about data validation and protection. Okay, so here using Excel, you will be able to validate your data as well. Okay, that the data present or the data presented are real or not. Okay, so you will be able to ensure data integrity through validation and also protection. We'll discover how to validate input, how you can restrict unauthorized access, and safeguard your valuable data from unauthorized modifications. Okay, so over here, let's say you do have your company report. Okay, and you don't want each and everyone to see what do you have inside your company report, right? So over here, we will also learn that how you can actually restrict unauthorized access. Okay, so let's say you do want to share your file. Okay, you do want to share with higher authorities, but you don't want to show it to all the workers in your company. So here you will be able to restrict and send it to people whoever you want, and with the link no one will be able to open the file. Okay, if you do put any kind of password, or if you just restrict the usage, that is quite an amazing feature by MS Excel over here. And also sometimes in your data you do have different kind of valuable data and also valuable information which you want only the authorized personnel to view. So in that case, you guys can restrict their access as well. Okay, you guys can just invite them, or you guys can basically send them the link, and if by any chance they do lost, or if anyone gets access, maybe they won't know what the password was. Okay, so you guys can actually protect all of your data over here as well. Lastly, for conclusion over here, with your newfound knowledge and leveraging Excel for data management, analysis and visualization, it will help you a lot. And also keep on exploring and mastering the art of Excel. So from our next class, we'll get started with the workspace and the interface in which you're going to work on. But yeah, I hope you guys do have got a basic idea that how you will start working on Excel and what all we are going to cover throughout this whole tutorial.